Hey y'all, a lot of you requested a low bun tutorial on my IG, so here it is. I like my low buns to be center part, so I'm trying to get that straight center part. You know, if it's center part, it needs to be very straight. So yeah, make sure it's straight. And then I'm going to wet my hair so that the gel can, work. I don't know. Gel just works better on damp hair. My hair is already damp, but I'm wetting it a bit more just so that gel can be more effective. Then I'm taking my Eco Styler gel and I'm going to apply it to the top and the edges mostly. A lot of people layer their gel, but too much gel can cause flaking even if the gel mixes well with your leave-in conditioner. So try not to put too much. That's why I made sure that my hair was wet so that the gel can work well on its own without putting too much. After putting the required amount of gel that I need, I'm going to detangle with a wide tooth comb. This step is extremely vital if you know you want that sleekness, if you know you want your hair to lay down flat. Do not miss this step. So after doing that, if you feel like there's any place that needs more gel, feel free to add. And then you take your hard brush and brush your hair down. Brush as much as you can, but not too much. If not, you start ripping your hair out of your roots. So just, I don't know, it's all in the sense of moderation. If you feel like there are parts that need to be really tangled, make sure you go back in with your wide tooth comb and then you keep brushing down until your hair lays down. To prevent quick freeze, because gel can do you like that sometimes, I like to add a little bit of edge control on the top layer just to lay everything down, seal it all down. You know, edge control is harder than gel, so it just kind of lays everything down sharp. So I put my edge control and I brush it all down, mix it all together, and then I'm ready to pack my hair. So I use my ouchless hair tie, not rubber band though, and I pack my hair into a bun. Next, it is time to lay my edges. This is tricky for me because normally my edges don't last, but the style is not complete unless you lay your edges. So I'm using my tiny tooth comb to just do some swoopings. We swoop here, we swoop there, some very crisp swooping. You understand? Yes, it took time, effort, and God's own mercy and grace, but yep, I did it, guys. Look at my edges. Just take a look. When I'm done, I tie it all down with a scarf. And I know some people like to use those paper strip thingies, but I don't have, so I will manage what I have, and what I have is a scarf. So I got this faux puff from a page on Instagram that I'm going to link in the description. I'm also going to display across the screen. I really love the hair. It looks so real, like it's so soft and coily, and so it's just that this is not my actual hair type, but like it looks so cute, y'all, so cute. So after attaching it, I fluffed it out and cut off anything that was either too long or too frizzy or tangled, and it wasn't that much. I just cut off a few things. So now let's see what the entire style looks like, and va voom. Girl, I look good. I look good. I look good. So make sure you drop a comment if you like the style, if you like my method, if you have anything to say about it, and don't forget to like and subscribe.